Standard 9th. Today we will do exercise 23rd C. In this exercise we will learn how to solve a trigonometrical equation. In this we will learn how to find out the value of unknown angle that satisfies the given equation. So we will start our exercise now. In first question there are 8 parts. We will do 3 parts from here. You have to solve the equation for value of A. What is given in first part? 2 sin A equals 1. That means sin A equals 1 over 2. After finding this, you have to see 1 over 2 value in table. In sine or cos or tangent, we will see in sine. 1 over 2 is equal to sine 30. So we substitute here sine 30. That means when you compare it, what will come? A is equal to 30 degree, and this is the answer. Now third question or third part of this one, what is given in this? Sin 3A is equal to root 3 over 2. See, before sin there is no term, so what we will see? Now we will take this root 3 over 2 in table and find out the value of sine. For which angle this is? This is sine 60. So we substitute here sine 3A is equal to sine 60. On comparing, 3A is equal to 60 because sine cancel by sine. So what is A? 60 over 3, reduce it in lowest term. So value of A is equal to 20 degree. Now the next part, this 8th one, root 3 cot 2A is given 1. Now whatever number is here, first of all we will transfer that number. Cot 2A is equal to 1 over root 3. In cot, 1 over root 3 is value of cot 60. So we substitute cot 2A equals cot 60. When you compare it, what will get? 2A equals 60 and A is equal to 60 by 2, 30 degree. Like this, you can solve the sums. We'll do question number 2nd. In this, you have to calculate the given equations for value of A. Here, we will do second part first. What is given? Tangent A minus 1 into cosecant 3A minus 1 equals 0. Means here we have two numbers, their product is equal to 0. That means out of 1, any one number, either this or this, they are equal to 0. So first we will take this one. Tangent A minus 1 equals 0. So tangent A equals 1. Minus 1 will go there in plus. Now in tangent value of 1. Tangent 45. Substitute. And when you compare them, what we will get? We get A is equal to 45 degree. This is for first. Now we will take this one. Cosecant 3A minus 1 is 0. Okay. So cosecant 3A equals 1. In cosecant 1 is value of 90. So cosecant 3A equals cosecant 90. On comparing, 3A equals 90 degree, and what is A? 90 over 3, reduce in lowest term, and value of A is 30 degree. So in this part, A is having two values, one is 45, one is 30. Now we will do our next part, fourth. What is given in fourth? Cos 3A into 2 sin 2A minus 1 equals 0. That means either factor, any of one factor is equal to 0. So 3a, when you take it is equal to 0, then in cos, 0 is value of 90. So cos 3a equals cos 90. On comparing, 3a equals 90, and what will be a? 90 divided by 3, 30 degree. This is the first value of this. Now we'll take the another factor and we'll keep it equal to 0. Yes. So sin 2a equals this. Come in plus 2. It is in product. Come here in division. So 1 over 2 is value of sin 30. Whatever angle here, you have to see the value in the same. So sin 2a equals sin 30. On comparing, 2a is equal to 30 degree, and what will be a? 15 degree. So there are two values, 30 and 15. This is the answer. Now question number 4. What is given in question number 4? Value of 4 cos square x is given 1. You have to use this one equation and find these 3 parts. So now we will take this equation and find first part first. 4 cos square x is equal to 1. So cos square x equals 1 upon 4. This 4 here it is in product, it will go in division. Now what is cos x? Square will go in square root. That means cos x equals 1 over 2. Now 1 over 2 is value of which angle in cos? Cos 60. Cos x equals cos 60. On comparing, we get value of x equals 60 degree. So this is our first part. Now for second part, what is given in second part? Sin square x plus cos square x. X we will substitute here as 60. So sin square 60 plus cos square 60. Now what is value of sin 60? Root 3 over 2, and cos 60 is 1 over 2. We substitute here. Root 3 over 2 whole square plus 1 over 2 whole square. Now square root of 3 is given, and we'll take its square. 3 will come here 4. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. Now both are like fractions. Add them and reduce, we get it is equal to 1. And if you have learned in 23rd A exercise, before that there was one result, sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. So here it is coming same. Now third part, 1 upon cos square x minus tangent square x. Now what is x? 60 degree. We substitute here 1 over cos square 60 minus tangent square 60. Value of cos 60, 1 over 2, and its square. And here root 3. So 1 upon 4. Because you will take square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. Minus here it is cancelled. So 3. Take reciprocal. 1 into 4 upon 1 minus 3. 4 ones are 4. Minus 3 is 1. So these are the answers. Our next question, question number 7. In this question, 2 cos 2a is given root 3. Using this, you have to find these 3 parts. First of all, you have to find value of a. So we'll take the same equation. Now, cos 2a. This 2 here it is in product, will go here in division. Now in cos, root 3 over 2 is value of which angle? Tell. Cos 2a equals cos 30. When you compare it, cos will be cancelled. Then what left? 2a is 30 and a is equal to 30 over 2. Value of a is 15. Our first part is solved. Now the second one, you have to find value of sine 3a. Now what is a? 15. We have to substitute here. Sine 3 into 15. What will come? 45. In sine 45, value from table you can see 1 over root 2. So this is answer of second part. Now what is the third part? In third part, what is given? Sine square 75 minus a, means you have to substitute a here. Similarly, plus cos square 45 plus a. So first of all, we will substitute a here as 15. So sine square 75 minus 15 plus cos square 45 plus 15. When you minus, what will come? 60. So sine square 60 plus here we add cos square 60. Now we substitute sine 60. Root 3 over 2 and cos 60 is 1 over 2. When you take it square, what we get? 3 over 4. Here 1 upon 4. Both are like fractions. You add 3 plus 1 is 4. You reduce it. So its value is equal to 1 and this is the answer. Now question number 10. In this question, one right angle triangle is given. Using this triangle, we have to find these parts. In this triangle, angle B is 90 degree. So this is given theta. According to theta, BC is base and AB is perpendicular. The side opposite to 90 is its hypotenuse. So we start our answer now. First part, tangent theta. Tangent is ratio of which two parts? Two sides you will take, perpendicular upon base. In this triangle, according to theta, what is perpendicular? AB and base is BC. That means its value is 5 upon 5. Tangent theta is equal to 1. So our first part is solved. In second part, you have to find value of theta. Means theta is 10 degree, 20, 30. What is the value of theta here? So we'll take this part. As we have calculated, tangent theta is equal to 1. In tangent, 1 is value of which angle? Tangent 45. So tangent theta equals tangent 45. On comparing, we get theta is 45 degree. So this is second part. Now in third part, what you have to find? Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Theta we will substitute as 45. So sin square 45 minus cos square 45. Now we substitute values. Sin 45 is 1 over root 2 and cos 45 is, it is also 1 over root 2. So we substitute here and we take its square. What will come? 1 over 2 because square root is cancelled. Similarly here. And when we separate, we get 0. Now fourth part, use sin theta to find value of x. This hypotenuse you can't find out by 5. They said use sin theta. So sin theta means perpendicular over hypotenuse. This we have done in last chapter, 22nd, trigonometrical ratios. Okay. Now substitute theta as 45 degree. According to this, perpendicular is 5 and hypotenuse is x. Sin 45, what is the value of sin 45? 1 over root 2 equals 5 upon x. By cross multiplication, x is equal to 5 root 2. You can leave the answer here also, otherwise value of root 2 is 1.414. Multiply. So this is the answer. Now our next question, question number 12. In this question you have to find 4 parts by solving, and you have to find value of x. So in third part, what is given? Sin x plus 10 equals 1 over 2. Now this 1 over 2, we will see this value is in sin, and what is sin then? Sin 30. 1 over 2 is value of sin 30. So on comparing, x plus 10 equals 30 degree, and what is x then? 30 minus 10, 20. This is our answer of third part. Now eighth part, cos x over 2 plus 10 equals root 3 over 2. Now this root 3 over 2 value we will see in cos. It is cos 30. So this root 3 over 2 we can substitute as cos 30. When you compare it, x over 2 plus 10 equals 30 degree. So this 10 we will shift another side. What we will get? X over 2 equals 30 minus 10 means x over 2 equals 20. Now 2, it will get multiplied with 20. So what is x? 22 is 40. So this is answer for 8th part. Now 10th part, cos square 30 plus cos square x equals 1. First of all, we substitute this value, cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2. Cos square x equals 1. Now we open the square. What we get? 3 square of 2 is 4 plus cos square x is equal to 1. So cos square x equals 1 minus 3 upon 4. Here we take LCM. Cos square x equals 4 is LCM. 4 minus 3 equals 1 over 4. Okay. So what is cos x? Square root of 1 upon 4. That means cos x is 1 over 2. Now this 1 over 2 is value of which angle in cos? 60. So cos x equals cos 60, and when you compare it, x is equal to 60 degree. Now last part, 12th one, sin square 60 plus cos square 3x minus 9 equals 1. First of all, we have to substitute sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 over 2 plus cos square 3x minus 9 is equal to 1. Here we open the square, 3 upon 4 plus cos square 3x minus 9 equals 1. So cos square 3x minus 9 equals 1 minus 3 upon 4. We solve it. We take LCM. 4 ones are 4 minus 3. 1 upon 4. So, cos square 3x minus 9 is equal to 1 upon 4. Now this square will go in square root. Cos 3x minus 9 is equal to square root of 1 upon 4. So what will come? Cos 3x minus 9 equals 1 over 2. Now 1 over 2 is value of which angle in cos? It will be cos 60. So cos 3x minus 9 equals cos 60. When you compare it, what will come? 3x minus 9 is equal to 60 and 3x is equal to 69, and 69 when we divide by 3, 69 over 3. So what is value of x? 23 degree. So this is the answer. Now last question of the exercise, question number 15. In this question, what is given? 2 cos a plus b, it is also equal to 1, and 2 sin a minus b, this is also equal to 1. So first of all, we will take 2 cos a plus b equals 1. Now cos a plus b, this 2 will go in division. Now in cos, 1 over 2 is value of cos 60. So cos a plus b equals cos 60. On comparing, we get value of a plus b equals 60 degree. This is our first equation. Now we will take the next one. 2 sin a minus b equals 1. It means sin a minus b equals 1 over 2. In sin, 1 over 2 is value of sin 30. So sin a minus b equals sin 30 degree. On comparing, we get a minus b equals 30 degree. This is our second equation. Now we will solve both the equations from first and second. What we get? A plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b equals 30 degree. Now they both have opposite sign. If we add it, both the equation if we will add, then b is cancelled. A plus a, 2a, 60 plus 30 is 90. So what is a? 90 over 2, 45. So value of a is 45 degree. This value of a you can substitute in any of the equation. So substitute a is equal to 45 in equation first. A plus b is 60. So a we are substituting as 45. So 45 plus b equals 60. And what is b then? 60 minus 45, and value of b is 15 degree. So like this we can find out value of a and b. Now note down the homework. Do remaining sums of this exercise on your remaining parts notebook.